When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause some of us, we keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I die a little more. Stolen moments that we see as a curtain falls. It'll never be enough. It's obvious you're meant for me, and every piece of you it just fits perfectly. And every second, every thought, I'm so deep. It'll never show it on my face, but we know this. We got a love that is hopeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? And I wish that we could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
You're with him, do you call his name like you do when you're with me? Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready to settle down? Would you play it safe instead? You know this. We got a love that is hopeless.
Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? And I wish that we could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
And nobody knows I'm in love with someone's baby.
I don't wanna hide us away.
Tell the world about the love we're making.
And I'm living for that day, someday.
Why can't I hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
No wish that we could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.